Alright, so before you do anything, make sure you enable that 120 Hertz refresh rate. It's one of those features that everybody is raving about. I personally think it's the best damn feature on this phone. Now out of the box, it is set to 60 Hertz. Now Samsung probably did this to stretch out that battery life a bit, but trust me, you want it on. To change it, go into settings and tap on display, motion smoothness, and change it from standard to high. The default layout and app icon Samsung provided out of the box just blows complete dicks. The icons are ugly and big, it's just a mess, it doesn't look good at all. Now sure, you can install a third-party launcher, but then you lose gestures, which we'll get to in a minute. Now there's a few things that we can kind of tweak to have your device looking dope in no time. Go into settings, tap on display, and choose dark. This essentially is dark mode, so everything in your phone will have a darker look to it. From the dialer to your messages, the notification shade, everything. Now, we're not done just yet. Go back into settings, down to themes. Now you can go pretty wild here. Personally, I only want to change the icons because they're a bit too damn big. To do this, tap on the icons tab and search for simple small. This icon pack does cost $1. Now you can try it out before you buy it, and I'm sure you can find something similar that's free on here if you look hard enough. This is just what I went with. Alright, now it's starting to look a lot better, but we could do a bit more, like changing the grid layout. You know the drill, back into the settings, tap on display, home screen, and change both the home screen and app grid from 4x5 to a 5x6 layout. Slap on a wallpaper of your choice, and bam, the device is looking damn beautiful now. We're almost there. I personally hate that Samsung daily screen that pops up when you swipe to the right. Thankfully, we can disable it. To do this, tap and hold on your home screen, swipe over, and make sure that the Samsung Daily tab is ticked off. Voila! You have two ways of getting around your new S20. The traditional 3-button method or gestures like I mentioned previously. Gestures are great, it frees up some screen real estate, and once you get used to using gestures, navigating the UI just feels much more fine-tuned and natural. To turn on gestures, go into the settings, display, navigation bar, make sure full screen gestures are ticked on. Now, I got a little bonus tip for those of you that are still here and rocking with me. The S20, it's a pretty damn big device, and that can translate to a hard time using in one hand, especially trying to reach that notification panel. Let's make it a bit easier. Long press on the home screen and select home screen settings. From here, tick on swipe down for notification panel. Now you can swipe down anywhere on the home screen to see your notifications. Pretty dope, right? If you learned anything from this video, like it, share it on your social medias, and consider subscribing for more content like this. We have a ton of content coming out on the S20. Pretty much wraps up the video. I'm out. Peace.